Hi, I'm here with Josephine. Josephine actually is a member of the Three Graces Beauty team, and today we are going to create a red for her. You normally don't wear red, do you?
No.
No. So she's quite fair. She feels like red is a little much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of her favorite colors, which is the number 5, the Be Joyful in Hope. It's like a watermelon color. It's like a pinky red. And I'm going to mix it with our classic red, the 106, the Rejoice Today and Be Glad. I think there's a theme here.
Yeah.
Joyful, happy. I think red is a very happy color. Everybody can wear red. It's just a matter of finding the red that looks best with your skin tone and what you're comfortable with. So because our colors were created from sort of an artist's perspective, our red is a clear undertone red, much like a true red paint pigment. So it really looks good on a lot of different skin tones. So we're going to start by, I'm going to do the 8-minute lip. The great thing about lip gloss is that you don't have to be an expert. It's so easy to put on. You can't mess it up. We created our applicators with a point so that it's easier to create that little bow and it's easier to go around the perimeter of your lips. I'm going to mix colors today and I'm going to use a lip brush, but I'm also going to do a little tip that actually, as a makeup artist, when you need lip color to stay on for hours and hours, this helps. So the Radiant Lip Gloss is highly saturated, has a lot of pigment. It's actually a hybrid between a lipstick and a lip gloss. So it has the shine of a gloss, but it has the color saturation of a lipstick. So it wears well, and the great thing is even after you've been wearing it for a while, you still get the moisturizing feeling, so your lips still feel very soft and moisturized. And with this technique, it just even extends the life of it longer. So the first thing I do is I always start by putting concealer on the lips. So it just gives something else for the lip gloss to hold on to. So I just take a little bit of concealer on a brush. I also find that during the day, makeup tends to get kind of cakey here, and we want to lighten the area of the mouth to draw attention to it, and doing the concealer also sort of helps lighten and brighten and define that area. So let's put it on here. Put it on all over your lip down here. Just pat it on. Concealer is also a great way too if you're wearing a lip color and you want to matte it out a little bit, or you want to make it look more opaque. Concealer is great for that. So I just kind of put that on all over there. That's an interesting look, the white lips. All right, now I'm going to take a lip brush, and I've taken some color and put it on a palette here. Whenever I do makeup, I always like to lay all the colors out on a palette first. So we have our Poppy, the 105, and we have our red. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to blend some of it together until I get a color that I think looks good. So I'm deepening the Poppy. You can see right there, so the Poppy's getting more red than pink, but it's still a lighter tone than the 106 than the true red. Okay, let's just mix it all together here. Okay, clean my brush a little bit. Oh, a little brush hair. Sometimes brushes do that. Just to be precise, let's take my glasses on here. All right, so let's look at these lips here. Also, with your beautiful green eyes, it looks great. So the lip glosses are high shine, as you can see, very high shine, very saturated in color. And the great thing about them is the moisturizing properties that they have. So we have a proprietary complex that has moringa oil. Moringa oil is one of the most effective hydrating oils. It has Kapangan butter. What else does it have, Josephine? Organic jojoba oil. Lots of good things in there that help to take care of your lips at the same time. I'm just taking a brush. I'm starting with the V at the top and just spreading the color on. Okay. And we're going to come all the way down the side. So you have a really pretty shape to your lip already. And what I'm doing here is I'm just outlining first, kind of creating the guideline here. Okay. Then I'm going to take a little bit. I'm going to start on the bottom. I like to start in the middle. Come around, lining using the edge of the brush. And I'm going to line all the way to the bottom of your lip. The great thing about lip color is you can actually define your lips, but you can change the shape of your lip by depending on how you place it. If I wanted to make her lips look fuller, I would go right down along the bottom there. If I wanted to make them look smaller, I would concentrate the color inside her natural lip line. I don't really know that people want to make their lips look smaller though. Okay, just gonna put it on, glide it on. That is a very pretty color. Okay, your bottom lip grabs a lot more than the top lip, so I think that's where we want to be with the color. Okay, now let's go back to the top. Just add more color all along the top lip as well. Right up to the line. I think you'll like this color. It's not gonna be so strong as a true red. And we want it to last for whatever you're going to be doing on Valentine's Day. I think red is a very happy color. Okay. Now, come all the way in here. Just use a brush to get that definition. And I just like to take my finger if there's any extra little pools of color in there. Okay. And one trick with gloss too is that you can go all the way to the edge, but you want most of the color to actually be in the middle. Now we're busy around here today, huh? Okay. There we go. All right, and I think that is a beautiful red that you will like. And again, we mix two. That's the great thing about color. One color, two colors, you can mix all 7 colors. You can, with lip color, you can have unlimited sort of possibilities with it. I think that's pretty, matches your red thing. So we'll go take a look and check it out.